Then when we have to solve this assignment method, we have 4 different methods are available. First one is complete enumeration method. What complete enumeration method indicates is we try to list out all possible combinations. Say there are 4 workers and 4 jobs to be completed. Let us say the time has been given to complete each job by each worker. That means we try to find out all possible combinations how the jobs can be assigned to each worker. Then we find 4 factorial possible combinations, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that gives us 24 possible combinations, and it is a lengthy and time consuming exercise, so we don't prefer to solve assignment problem with enumeration method. And similar, second one we have simplex method. In simplex method we solve the problem by iterations, and several iterations are done, one after the other, till we get negative or 0 values in the simplex table, and we try to find out how an assignment has to be paid. If 0 is there, it means there is a non-assignment, and if 1 is there, it is for assignment. That is how we try to do in the simplex method. And third method we have transportation method. In transportation method, the similar way we can find out the solution for assignment method also, but however in transportation method there is a restriction, or there is a constraint that we should get the number of assignments should be equal to n plus m minus 1. That means number of rows plus number of columns minus 1 total put together. So in that event it is not possible in case of assignment problem, because here there are equal number of rows and columns which equals n plus n minus 1, or we call that as 2n minus 1, but we get only n number of assignments. That is the reason this is also not optimal, and it will get into some degeneracy. So the fourth method what we do is Hungarian assignment method, which is also known as Flood's technique, or also known as reduced matrix method. So this method is usually applied. We call that as HAM also, Hungarian assignment method. This is mostly used for assignment problems. So in this case what we try to do is, whatever the matrix that is given or that is derived based on the situation, we try to reduce that matrix and we try to do the assignment.